Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Today we're diving into something that's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a full-blown revolution. That's right, I'm talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard about it everywhere, but what does it really mean for us? And why is everyone so hyped about it right now? AI is blowing up in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. It's in our pockets, on our screens, and even behind the scenes in places you might not expect. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the apps you use throughout the day, AI is quietly working in the background, making things smarter, faster, and more personal. But let's break it down. What exactly is AI? In the simplest terms, it's about teaching computers to think, learn, and adapt like humans do. Imagine a machine that can not only follow instructions but also figure things out on its own, spot patterns, and even improve over time without being told exactly what to do. We're talking about machines that can learn from experience, solve complex problems, and make decisions. Sometimes even better than we can. Whether it's a robot arm solving a puzzle or a digital assistant scheduling your meetings, AI is all about making technology more human-like and intuitive. And it's not just about cool gadgets. AI is transforming the way we live, work, and play. In our homes, smart devices can adjust the lights, play your favorite music, or even order groceries with just a voice command. In offices, AI tools help teams collaborate, analyze data, and automate boring tasks, freeing up time for creativity and innovation. Think about how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch next, or how self-driving cars are learning to navigate busy city streets. These are just a couple of examples of AI in action, making our lives more convenient and connected. And it's not just happening in one place. AI is spreading across the globe. From chatbots that help you shop online, to translation apps that break down language barriers, AI is already making its mark in ways big and small, changing how we interact with the world and with each other. And trust me, this is just the beginning. The pace of innovation is only speeding up, and the possibilities are almost endless. We're standing at the edge of a future where AI could help solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from healthcare to climate change. One of the most exciting developments right now is the rise of AI agents. These aren't just simple assistants, they're powerful, adaptable tools that can understand your needs, anticipate your preferences, and help you get things done in ways that feel almost magical. Imagine controlling your entire home with just your voice, or having multiple AI-powered devices working together to make your day smoother and more productive. These AI agents are poised to completely change how we interact with technology, making it more seamless, intuitive, and even fun. So, are you ready to see what the future holds? Let's dive in and explore the world of AI agents together, and discover how this technology is set to transform our lives in ways we're only beginning to imagine. So, what are AI agents? Think of them as your personal digital assistants, but way smarter. They can understand your needs, learn your preferences, and perform tasks on your behalf. You've probably already interacted with AI agents without even realizing it. Ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song? That's an AI agent in action. These agents are designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. They can schedule appointments, answer your questions, and even control your smart home devices. AI agents are powered by complex algorithms and machine learning models. But don't worry, you don't need to be a computer scientist to understand the basics. Here's the gist. AI agents observe their environment, collect data, and use that information to make decisions. It's like teaching a dog a new trick but on a much larger scale. They learn from their experiences and get better over time. The more data they process, the more accurate and efficient they become. It's like leveling up in a video game, but for AI. AI agents come in all shapes and sizes, and they're becoming an increasingly important part of our daily lives. From the moment you wake up and check your phone, to the time you stream your favorite show at night, AI agents are working behind the scenes to make things easier, smarter, and more personalized for you. Each type of AI agent is designed for a specific purpose, tailored to solve unique problems or automate certain tasks. Some are built into the devices we use every day, while others operate in the background, powering complex systems in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Let's break down some common types, starting with chatbots. These are probably the AI agents you interact with most often, whether you realize it or not. Chatbots and virtual assistants communicate with you through text or voice, helping you schedule appointments, answer questions, or even just tell you the weather. They're designed to understand natural language, making conversations feel more human and intuitive. In customer service, these agents can handle simple queries instantly, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. They're available 24/7, making support more accessible and efficient for everyone. Then there are recommender systems. Think of the suggestions you get on Netflix, Amazon, or Spotify. These AI agents analyze your past behavior, preferences, and even what similar users like, to suggest products, movies, or music you might enjoy. By processing huge amounts of data, recommender systems help you discover new favorites and make decisions faster, whether you're shopping online or picking a new show to binge watch. And of course, there are autonomous robots. These are physical AI agents that can move, sense, and act in the real world, often without any human intervention. Examples include self-driving cars that navigate busy city streets, robots that deliver packages, and machines that work alongside humans in factories, handling repetitive or dangerous tasks. These AI-powered machines are transforming industries by increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and even making workplaces safer. And that's just scratching the surface. There are also AI agents in healthcare that help diagnose diseases, in finance that detect fraud, and in smart homes that learn your routines to save energy. The possibilities of AI agents are practically limitless. As technology advances, we'll see even more innovative agents shaping the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. One of the coolest things about AI agents is their ability to learn. They don't just follow pre-programmed rules, they can actually adapt and improve over time. This learning process happens through a technique called machine learning. Basically, we feed AI agents massive amounts of data, and they use that data to identify patterns, make predictions, and refine their decision-making abilities. The more data they consume, the smarter they become. It's kind of like giving your brain a super-powered workout. Like any powerful technology, AI agents come with both benefits and potential risks. As we integrate these intelligent systems into more aspects of our lives and businesses, it becomes crucial to carefully consider the full spectrum of their impact. The choices we make today about how we use and regulate AI will shape not only our workplaces, but also our society as a whole for years to come. It's important to understand both sides of the coin. While the promise of AI is exciting, we must also be mindful of the challenges and unintended consequences that can arise. By weighing both the positive and negative aspects, we can make more informed decisions about how to move forward responsibly. On the positive side, AI agents have the potential to increase efficiency and productivity, sometimes in ways that were previously unimaginable. In many industries, AI is already streamlining workflows, reducing human error, and allowing businesses to operate at a scale and speed that would have been impossible just a decade ago. From automating repetitive office tasks to optimizing complex manufacturing processes, AI is transforming the way we work. AI agents can automate tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and complex work. This shift allows employees to spend more time on problem-solving, innovation, and building relationships, areas where human intuition and creativity still shine. For example, in creative industries, AI can handle time-consuming editing or data analysis, giving artists and designers more freedom to explore new ideas. They can also improve decision-making, since AI agents can analyze massive datasets to identify patterns and trends, leading to more informed decisions. In fields like finance, healthcare, and logistics, AI-powered insights can help professionals spot opportunities, predict risks, and respond to changes faster than ever before. This ability to process and interpret vast amounts of information is one of AI's most powerful advantages. Plus, they can really enhance our daily lives. AI is making its way into our homes, cars, and even our pockets, helping us manage our schedules, control our environments, and stay connected with loved ones. Everyday conveniences like voice assistants and smart appliances are just the beginning of what AI can offer. From personalized recommendations to smart home automation, AI agents can make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs, suggest new experiences, and help you make better choices. Whether that's finding the perfect movie, adjusting your home's temperature, or even managing your health and wellness routines. AI is also opening up new possibilities for accessibility and inclusion. For example, AI-powered tools can help people with disabilities communicate more easily, navigate public spaces, or access information that was previously out of reach. In education, AI tutors can provide personalized support, helping students learn at their own pace and in their own style. However, there are also potential downsides to consider. As with any disruptive technology, the rapid adoption of AI brings with it a set of challenges that we must address thoughtfully and proactively. Job displacement is a real concern. As AI agents become more sophisticated, they may automate jobs currently performed by humans. This could lead to significant changes in the job market, with some roles disappearing while new ones emerge. The transition may be difficult for workers whose skills are no longer in demand, and it will require investment in retraining and education to help people adapt. Societies will need to invest in lifelong learning and reskilling programs to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive in an AI-driven world. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to create pathways for workers to transition into new careers and develop the skills needed for the future. There's also the issue of bias and fairness, because AI agents are trained on data, and if that data is biased, it can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This is especially concerning in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement, where biased algorithms can reinforce existing inequalities and have real-world consequences for people's lives. Addressing these issues requires transparency, accountability, and ongoing oversight. Developers must be vigilant about the data they use and the ways their algorithms make decisions, while policymakers and the public must demand fairness and equity in AI systems. And of course, there are ethical concerns. As AI agents become more autonomous, questions arise about responsibility, privacy, and the potential for misuse. Who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake? How do we protect sensitive data and ensure that AI respects our rights and freedoms? As AI agents become more autonomous, it's important to establish ethical guidelines for their development and deployment. This means creating clear standards for transparency, safety, and accountability, as well as fostering a culture of ethical reflection among developers, businesses, and users alike. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to benefit everyone, while minimizing the risks and ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. AI agents are already having a profound impact on our world, and their influence is only going to grow in the years to come. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable AI agents emerging. These agents will transform industries, revolutionize the way we live, and raise new ethical and societal questions. It's honestly an exciting time to be following the development of AI. We're on the cusp of a technological revolution, and AI agents are at the forefront. The world of AI can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. The key is to stay curious and never stop learning. There are tons of resources available online and offline to help you deepen your understanding of AI. From online courses to books and documentaries, there's something for everyone, no matter your level of technical expertise. Remember, the more you know about AI, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting changes this technology brings. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI agents, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be covering more exciting developments in AI and other cutting-edge technologies. Let's explore the future of tech together.